In today's competitive market, we must stay up on the newest technology and ideas. As competition becomes more fierce in every sector, companies can no longer ignore the foundations of their business. Choosing the right flooring can have a dramatic effect on your work, clients, and most importantly, your bottom line. When we walk into a building, the first thing that we see is the surface of the floor. Whether it's concrete, ceramic tile, or terrazzo. No matter what type of floor it is, it's hard to maintain without the proper protection. With chips, stains, and cracks, any type of floor damage can obstruct the productivity of your workplace, no matter where you turn. Over time, as technology has become more advanced, liquid epoxy flooring systems have begun to replace more conventional flooring options. With advanced features such as anti-slip, anti-corrosion, and wear resistance, companies have begun installing these systems throughout a wide variety of different industries. However, if you take a closer look, you'll see that every flooring system is not created equal. With lower barriers to entry, the flooring industry has become largely fragmented, leaving end users with inconsistent floor covering performance and unexpected problems. At the root of these problems lies poor surface preparation, unsuitable installation environments, and inherent limitations within the flooring system itself. Liquid epoxy resin systems, for example, can be limited by humidity, weak substrates, and faulty resin hardener mixing. The typical installation process for these type of systems consists of applying a primer to the substrate, followed by numerous layers of epoxy paint mixture. However, even if the installation process is completed error-free, problems can still occur, such as surface bubbling, as a result of the system not being breathable. As water vapor rises from underneath the subfloor, pressure is exerted upward, creating bubbles. Subsequent activity will result in eventual peeling away, causing irreparable damage without being repaired immediately. With non-adsorbent substrates such as ceramic tile, the binding strength will diminish quickly as your epoxy paint begins to detach from the floor, easily peeling away. A bigger problem occurs when the substrate is weaker than the epoxy system itself. After continuous pressure is applied to the work area, a problem known as delamination occurs, in which the concrete is separating from itself. Inevitably, the floor covering is going to separate from the substrate, easily peeling away. To address these problems, Canfast has worked relentlessly to develop an optimal solution. Finally, after years of research, FRP, epoxy sheet floor covering, has been created. Whether it's stains, water, normal wear and tear, impacts, or chemicals, Canfast has you covered, all at an affordable price. With lower installation fees than liquid epoxy resin systems and a longer lifespan than conventional vinyl sheet flooring, you gain a clear advantage in today's competitive market. By combining the strength and reliability of epoxy resin and fiber-reinforced polymer, we have developed a new flooring option that has proven to be the best protection on the floor covering market. The first of its kind, our manufacturing process consists of applying an epoxy resin base layer, followed by FRP, which provides extra protection against water vapor and impact. We then apply additional layers of epoxy resin and deliver the finished product to you in a roll to make for easier transportation, storage, and installation. The installation process is the same as conventional vinyl sheet flooring, consisting of standard subfloor preparation, adhesive troweling, and then laying and cutting of the sheet material along the pre-measured area. After the FRP epoxy sheets have been laid, a standard cork smoother must be used to eliminate air trapped beneath the sheet. Afterward, joints can be cut using a groove cutter, and hot or cold welding can be used for joint treatment methods. Since you don't have to wait for multiple coats of liquid to cure, the installation process can be completed in as little as 12 hours. No matter what work environment it is, your floor goes through a lot. On the ground floor of a building, water vapor rises from the foundation while activity on top presses down, leaving a lot of room for damage. To put our product to the test, we have used industrial-grade forklifts with each carrying 3-ton loads to drive across the floor surface from a variety of angles and degrees. This, along with subsequent testing, has proven that all canvas floors have a proven strength of at least 30 MPa and material ground peel strength of 13 MPa. The surface of our material is easy to clean and stain-free, so the only thing you have to worry about is regular sweeping and mopping. Canvas floors are also temperature and water resistant. To prove this, we left water sitting on the surface of our material for at least 1 week, and came back to find no change in appearance, performance, or peel strength. To make your workplace safer, we have also ensured that all floors are slip and flame resistant. With the self-extinguishing surface area, no permanent surface damage from the flame is incurred from temperatures as high as 300 degrees Celsius. Fast FRP epoxy sheet flooring systems are being installed in a variety of different industries, such as electroplating plants, food and medicine factories, and chemical manufacturing. As we continue to develop and innovate our products, we will be sure to be at the forefront of this new era in flooring technology. Instead of being left behind in this new flooring industrial revolution, come with us and be a part of it.